Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my fall night routine. Honestly, it is a little bit more like an evening routine, but nonetheless, let's just go ahead and get started. So this evening, Corey was working a double shift, and since I'm home alone, what I love to do is light me a candle. This is the pumpkin and apples candle that I got from Walmart. It smells so good. And the next thing I love doing is grabbing a big bottle of water and digging into my homework. I love just getting it done, and I don't know why, but just being productive is everything to me. I don't know why. I just love being productive. My mind is at peace and I feel like I'm in my happy place. So I'm doing my homework. One of the things I love doing while doing my homework is a little Pomodoro studying technique, which is studying for 25 minutes, taking a 4-minute break, and continuing for about 2 hours is how long I do it, and I love doing it so much. If you guys want to see a Pomodoro study with me video, let me know in the comments below and I'll totally do that for you guys. So at this time, usually Dash is already started whining at me while I'm doing my homework, and she's like, "Mama, I need food." So I gotta feed my baby, and that's exactly what I do. I just grab her wet food, put it in a bowl. I've been giving her wet food lately because it's really good for her digestion, and I know every dog is different, but that's just what I do. But I give her food and she is happy for the rest of the night. Around this time, it starts getting darker, and I decided that I wanted to do a little bit of baking. So I decided to make this pumpkin bread in a box mix that I got from Aldi, and I just grabbed some eggs and some olive oil, and I just kind of threw it together, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was so delicious. I ended up adding in some chocolate chips, which made it even better. And yeah, you definitely have to try it. I really want to learn how to make my own pumpkin bread. This was just something fun that I really wanted to do, and also I love having like a sweet treat after dinner at the end of my night with my hot tea, which you guys will see in just a second. But also, I just love doing something fun that's outside of my computer or, you know, technology in general. Just doing something that's more relaxing without, you know, looking at my phone or computer or whatever the case may be. It's very calming and relaxing for me, as well as just giving me a break from all of my electronics. So once everything was mixed together, I added in my not so secret ingredients, chocolate chips. I don't know why, but to me, pumpkin and chocolate is like an unbeatable combination, and I just had to do it. I don't know why, but it really made the pumpkin bread. I feel like it would have been a little bit bland without it. Next time, I'm definitely going to add some pumpkin spice and maybe some walnuts. So anyways, I just went ahead and sprayed my pan and added in my mixture, and then on top I added a couple more, maybe more than a couple, chocolate chips, and you guys, this pumpkin bread was so good. I highly recommend it. I definitely am gonna try making my own next time, but for a box mix pumpkin bread, this was actually really good. So now that I've got my snack, I went ahead and made my tea for this evening. Tonight I am just having the Sleepy Time honey tea. This tea is so good and it makes me feel super duper relaxed, and I love this mug. It says it's good to be home. Isn't that right, you guys? Like, doesn't it just feel so good to be home after a long day? So one thing I look forward to every evening is writing in my planner. I love just, you know, putting my mood in my mood tracker and going over my goals for the month or for the week, and it really makes me feel very accountable and responsible. I know that I'm getting things done, and it makes me feel good that I am accomplishing my weekly and daily to-dos. So after that, you know, I had to end my night by taking a bubble bath, and that is exactly what I did. And I love bubble baths, you guys. It's just my time to spend with God and talk to Him about whatever I'm dealing with. Sometimes I go through stress or anxiety, and it's just good to talk to God. So anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.